In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize the price on product cards in Shopify, specifically on your homepage. Let's dive right in and make sure your product prices look exactly the way you want them to on your Shopify store. First, you'll want to get started by opening your site editor. Once you're there, navigate to where your product cards are displayed on your homepage. These product cards are a key part of how your store's products get represented visually, so getting them just right can help capture potential customers' attention. Now, to adjust the font size of the price displayed on these cards, you'll want to click directly on the price itself. Doing so will allow you to select it. When you click on the price, you should notice a set of properties appear on the right-hand side of your screen. This panel is basically your command center for making style adjustments. Within this properties panel, you'll observe that your price text is using the heading 6 preset. Presets are handy default styles that save time, but sometimes customization is necessary to make your store truly unique and aligned with your brand's aesthetic. To resize the price text, we'll switch from this preset to a custom size. Locate the option to change this from heading 6 to custom within the panel. Once you've selected custom, you'll see various options to adjust the font size. Here, you can play around with different sizes to see what works best for the overall look of your product cards. Be mindful of how the text size complements other elements on the homepage, ensuring there's a balanced and harmonious design. It's beneficial to keep in mind the readability of your prices on different devices and resolutions. A smooth and consistent customer experience across platforms is key to the success of your Shopify store. And just like that, by selecting a new font size, you've resized the price text on your product cards. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a significant difference in how your store is perceived by visitors. A well-designed pricing display can help emphasize value or create a sense of urgency for your customers. Don't forget to preview your changes to see how the new sizing integrates with the rest of your site layout. That's all there is to it. You've successfully resized the price on your product cards, enhancing both the appearance and functionality of your Shopify homepage. Keep in mind that small design adjustments like these can have a big impact on user experience. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on optimizing your Shopify store. Make your store aesthetically pleasing and functional, and see you next time.